So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and again I'm here again to show you the house that I found in my somewhere in Cebu. so this house is different kind of house. It's beautiful. There is a patio on the top, like in the there is a rooftop, and fully furnished house in lot for sale in Consolacion, Cebu, located in Consolacion, Cebu, along North Coastal Road. House details: lot area 152 square meters, floor area is 112 square meters. Of course, fully furnished house. So we have the picture right here, the house. You can see the house, the nice house outside, beautiful home, and there is a gate, and it's a two-story house. So the next picture that we have right here is the dining room, dining table. This is it has 4 chairs. Is that 4 or yeah, 4 chairs? And I like the style of the curtains. It matches to everything, to the color of the wall and the floor. And there's a kitchen that I can see. We can see the kitchen there. The next picture is outside. Is the main door, I think. This is the door from the outside. I like the style of the, what is that, the front before you enter. The next picture that we got here is the TV. There's a TV. There's a living room, just a TV, and we can see the stairs going upstairs. And I think that's a door from, and the TV is big enough for the family. The next picture that we have here is the bedroom. I like the curtains and the window curtains. It's like you're in the hotel. And next picture that we have is another room. Is that the same, the other one? Yeah, this is another room. That's a small bed, but the room is big enough. And the next one is the kitchen. So yeah, the kitchen, the refrigerator, and there is water dispenser. I think that's a water dispenser. And the next picture that we have here is the outside. I think this is there's a nice area outside, playground. If you have kids, they can play in this area. This is nice area here to relax and look around outside. And this is the rooftop patio, the patio in the second floor. Yeah, that's the one. The next one is the bathroom. So there is a shower room. I'm sure there is a hot water and the sink. I think that's it. And more details is there is it's a 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath, balcony, 1 carport. More details, if you want to know more about this house, just check the description below, and there is a contact number there and more details that you can see. And if you're really interested to this house, you can just call the number or message the Facebook that is in the description below. And I will show you the pictures, the whole pictures after this, so that you can see the big picture and enjoy. Thank you. this video, I will share you this wonderful passage from this book that I love to read. It says, "Stay on the high road with me. Many voices clamor for your attention, trying to divert you to another path. But I have called you to walk ever so closely with me, soaking in my presence, living in my peace. This is my unique design for you, planned before the world began. I have called each of my children to a different path, distinctly designed for that one. Do not let anyone convince you that this path is the only right way, and be careful not to exalt as superior to another's way. What I require of you is to act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with me wherever I lead." So this is from the book of Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10 and Micah chapter 6 verse 8. So this book is just a summarize, and the writers of this book, she is really good to illustrate or to explain the verses that she put in this book, because every page there is a verse, and then she just summarized this one right here. And again, this book is all about the devotions for every day of the year. It's a good book. So that's all. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye and God bless.